So today, guys, I'm gonna doing a house tour. How about those time we're doing? Well, let's go over because we got something to go. Yeah, yeah. You're probably thinking, something else. There's one. Yes. But anyways, guys, it's time to show you off the house. That's what I'm gonna do with my own. So this is all SpongeBob, and I mean it. And look at these happy birthday balloons. Also, guys, I wonder who's watching this on the birthday. And they all happy birthday to them. So yeah, that's all. Now it's time to show you some more things. This is the bathroom. Yeah, I'm gonna show you this. I know you don't probably get that. So this is my brother's room. He plays Roblox a lot.
It's got his pencil thing in there too that I bought him.
And this is the
Alright, I love you. Where's
What?
my phone? Where's my phone?
I told you it was in.
Oh, you put it in my purse. Okay.
I didn't put it in your
Bye,
box.
Donica, baby. Bye,
But anyways, this is the couch I use.
Mom, his little bracelet thing you got him, he wore it and it broke when he was sleeping. I guess because his little wrist is too.
Yeah.
Mine didn't. I still got mine.
I'm sorry, Mommy. Please don't get mad.
But
Oh, phew.
he wore it.
Oh, thank God. So, this is Mommy's room. Yeah. She just things around her room. I'm not going to say that. Yes. This is the wall. Actually, this is the trust God thing. I think you guys should all trust God.
Mom, I told him not getting that Reebok backpack.
Anyways, this is the backpack.
Thank you.
This is the kitchen. This is where Mommy comes to cook. And by the way, she's a really good cook. By the way, I mean I have to put in the house tour, and so I am like seeing the whole house. I'm thinking, yeah, I'd have to put out nice for the comment. Anyways. Anyways, but I actually want to include the outside of it.
But you know what? I mean, that really pisses me off. I don't go.
So,
No.
I actually want to include the outside.
His broke.
Outside does
They
count.
said his broke. Aiden's broke. Theirs broke too? Yeah.
I'm going to show the outside.
So what the fuck?
So I'll show you guys the outside. So this is the pool that Mommy has. Very cool. Look, I'm gonna show you just. I'm not gonna drop my phone in whilst this camera will stop, but I won't have it on to record. I guess I could have seen her, but she already left. Yeah, this is outside, boys. She's the one of things. But don't think we're done just yet. Oh, no, we're not. Bye, CC. Anyways, this is the shed. I know it's kind of, and also, you guys, as you get to see, I mean, you guys, as you see this house a lot, my SML parodies, you can go check them out. I'll probably leave a link in the description, I don't know. But this is Mommy's garden. I think it's just like a garden. But the sign does have bees and butterflies are welcome. And that does not mean. And oh yeah, that's where we had smacked the piano. And yeah. Also got the trampoline. Well, this is the trampoline, guys. You guys really like the house. Yeah. And oh, hi, the squirrel. Do you like the videos? Actually, I don't even know if the squirrels actually even hold it though. But, you know. What I mean, woof. God, it's hot. Let's go back to the house. We can do some mail. I'll have it back. On the way, Mommy, you're really good cook. You're welcome. Anyways, we are back. And we're still out the rest of the house. Whew. Man, I was just sweaty. And I was just sweat. So this is the toilet. Look at what this says. This is kind of hilarious. It says nice butt. That is actually kind of weird. But you know. Yeah, I'm always home. There's a bed and a chair and a computer so you could do walk things like Cece. We're not gonna discuss that right now. Nice. Not done just yet though. This is my closet. I'm not actually showing all my things, but I'm glad I'm sharing with you guys, cause I know you guys seen this house a ton in my videos. Excuse me, Mommy.
Everybody out there said you hot.
I mean, Cece does forget to put on shorts for me.
This came over your door.
Oh, I did actually not expect that. But anyways, so this is behind the couch. Oh yeah. Alright, and Molly does have like a water signs. But she does have a lot of pictures. For example, there's Walsey and Jonica hugging. There's Mommy and Jonica and Walsey. There was Cece and Lincoln. There was me with the YouTubers. I'm just kidding. I'm not with even the YouTuber. I'm the only Actually, there's like other YouTubers. I'll have to hang there soon. That's Lincoln. That's Aiden. Which I'm going to be playing a game with him after I'm done doing this video. And that's Bubba. That's Rosie. And that's the video I can cook. Yeah. And this is the oven. This is where Mommy comes to cook. And this is the counter. This is where I always put all my drinks and stuff. Alright guys, we're almost done with the house tour. I gotta show you the outside. I'm gonna show you the outside. And then we'll move from there. But this is the outside of the house. Mom also has a Christmas thing to it. Not Christmas anymore, but Easter dream. And with these are the chairs. This is where me and Mommy always. And oh yeah, this is Mommy. Oh yeah, that's Mommy's sign. That's like a gun. Has like blood all over it. But I'm actually not gonna read that. We're also not gonna show the blood since it's a Damage on every channel. But you know. Also, this is the mailbox. Yeah, that's the other neighbor's house. We live right next door, I don't know who. Well, let me tell you, this house is freaking nice. Also, that's the roof. Our roof is very small. I did actually get my puppet stuck that one time at the old trail. But I've done it this year. I won't do it again. Nice. Let's go out the west. Good things before we go. Oh my gosh, right there. Also, anyways, guys, like the video, comment below. What's your favorite part of the video? I'll try to see it here, alright? Nice. These are the plants now, Mommy. Plants that I think I see bottles, but I don't know. And these are all the pictures of us. That's a picture of me. That's a picture of me. That's a picture of Lycan. These are all the pictures. Mommy has kept home every while. I'm not kidding. Okay, this is all the stuff. And also, guys, this is my graduation mug. I graduated like 1 year ago, and I'm actually still very happy. I think I'm about to hit like 7th grade. I'm gonna show you the last thing. I'll show you all. 2 more things in my room. The drawer and the bed. Yeah, I'm kind of uncreative with that. But anyways, let's just start with the drawer. What? Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. What?
Look, I got you these little fingers.
But anyways, just
Okay.
alright. Anyways, alright guys, the last thing I need to show you is the bed. This is the bed I always sleep in. That's what you guys always see in the videos all the time, and yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of the house tour. I hope you guys do like it. If you guys do enjoy the video, please write, comment down, and subscribe. Do all the right things because you are awesome today. And keep on being awesome. Keep on being Donkey Dash. And yeah.
You know.
I'm just kidding. Joseph ain't actually banned. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna be back tomorrow with Gina's midnight job. I think you guys are gonna like that video. Dude! I actually shut up, Joseph. I just kinda wanna do that real quick. Yes. So we're at the end of the video. And yeah, see you guys later. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.